Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angeline Taha, and today I am going to share my life experience of what happened to me while it was still pandemic. So, COVID-19, also known as coronavirus disease, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus. And because this virus that is spreading all over the world, all the government officials around the world decided to start a lockdown or quarantine, where all places and establishments are closed, like malls, shops, convenience stores, and also schools. This COVID-19 pandemic is the reason why we are having a hard time answering our modules, and this gives us a hard time to study. How this pandemic changed my life? I'm a student, and my only life before this pandemic is only studying. So my routine is wake up, study, and sleep. But because of this pandemic, many things change. Before, I always prepare myself for going to school. I always make sure that everything I need for school is organized and ready. And before I go out, I always make sure that I have everything I need. But now, everything seems nothing to me. In my studies, before I am learning so many things, because in school, we have teachers which you can ask your problems or questions about something. Now we can only talk to them through Messenger, and sometimes because of my shyness or because I am afraid to approach them, sometimes I just won't ask them. As a human, I observe so many things in me. I discovered that I love being alone. I always lock myself in my room. I've done so many things that is impossible to think about. I learned that if you want peace in your life, sometimes you just need or you just want to be alone. If you want to find yourself and purpose, if you need to reflect, you need to be alone. I am not sad because I'm alone in my room sometimes. Unlike before, I have my classmates or friends with me. We always go out, we go to other places where we tend to be happy. I enjoy doing things with them. But because of this pandemic, I started to slowly drift away from them. I started to not be able to be close or to be able to talk to them. There are negative and positive things we could get about this pandemic. For some, this pandemic is limiting them to do what they want in life. This pandemic is giving a hard time to live. And this pandemic for them is the reason why they're sad. And it's true. Because in this pandemic, we've lost so many loved ones in our life. And let's never forget that this pandemic also gives us time to be with our families and to be with ourselves, to be able to learn about more for ourselves. This pandemic really helped me to know and to discover things about myself that I didn't know before. I hope that this pandemic will surely end soon so we can be able to go back to our normal life. So that's all. Thank you.